All right, ladies and gentlemen, now we are on affordable case number 4, and this wraps up the coverage, or the beginning of the wrapping up of the coverage of some of the affordable cases for the iPhone 11. So this is case number 4. This is the Mixneer breathable full protective case for the iPhone 11. Now, this one, as with the Animal, just came inside of one piece of protective plastic. So I already removed that, just make it a little bit easier. And let's go ahead and put the case on, go over the first impressions, and see how we feel about it. And then we're going to use this one for a week. Now, let's get the housekeeping out of the way up front. Try to make this video as fast as possible. So this video is being recorded with the primary 12 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10e. This is being recorded in 720p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. And we are using my studio lights here. So please let me know what you think of the overall lighting, as well as what you think of the overall audio and video quality. And if this video piques your interest and or you find it enjoyable and or helpful, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much, okay? And if this video piques your interest, all the links to where y'all can pick up this case at some great prices, along with any or all of the other case recommendations or other accessory recommendations for the iPhone 11, will be linked up down below in the video description, and that will contain affiliated links. And affiliated links means I do get a small percentage of kickback when you guys and gals use those links that I do put back into the channel, so I can keep bringing you guys and gals content. But that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So in my opinion, if I can do that, I think that's a win-win for everyone. So as always, if your interest is piqued, all the links will be available down below in the video description, along with all of my extended coverage and accessories for the iPhone 11. All right? So housekeeping done. Y'all can see I got my device wiped down. We got it on the standard microfiber cleaning cloth. We got the case here. So let's get into the first impressions. All right, let's go. Now, I went with the cheapest option for the Mixneer case because it comes in a variety of different colors, but this is the cheapest one, the black and the red, and this one was $8.96 before taxes. All right. So removing the foam plastic here, throw that off to the side. Checking out the material here. So this is a nice breathable TPU material, and you can see this one was made to give you full protection, but also cut down on the overheating that your device may experience. So you can see we got all the necessary cutouts for our cameras and our sensors. We got full protected power buttons with a nice cutout for our mute slash slider here. And then we got nice protection on the inside. All the appropriate cutouts for our speakers and mics. Okay. Good stuff here. Good stuff here indeed. Very basic, very straightforward. Really good stuff. Volume rockers, same way. Power buttons, same way. So this is all black with red highlights. I kind of like it. Kind of wish the blue one, the black one with the blue highlights was a little bit more inexpensive. That one comes up to, I think it was about $17, whereas this one was $8.96. So I went with the just cheaper option. This is available in a variety of different colors for a variety of different Apple devices. Again, check out those links down below if you want to find the one for your device, or you also have an iPhone 11. But that pretty much does it for the walk around of the case. Let's slap it on the device and see how it do. Now I fired up the camera by mistake, so let's turn that off. But dropping it on, it just pops right in. Just like that. And I gotta tell y'all, this looks pretty good. Let me pick my microfiber cleaning cloth up. Yeah. Now, similar to the Webull, this is not as grippy of a material as I thought it would be. It's actually more slippery, but y'all can see it fits perfectly on the device, and we have all of our necessary cutouts for the camera and full protection for the camera, while also having full access to our sensors. Okay, so good stuff there indeed. Y'all can see everything is nice and precision cut, and we got full protection on the stuff that matters. Okay, can we reach that mute slider in there? No fingernails. Let's see. Yes, we can. And we can do so very easily. So we still have full functionality. Let's check wireless charging. Wireless charging still works no problem. Y'all can see it right there. So we get full protection while also maintaining full functionality. That's what I like to see. But as I said, I just wish it was using a slightly more grippy or matte material, because this is still very slippery in my opinion. But still, this adds protection, and it's got that nice little breathable design. So if you use your device a lot, or if you're in hotter climates and you want to make sure your device has proper cooling, this might be the case that you want to look at. Okay, and I could tell y'all right now, this is going to do a great job of hiding the fingerprints. Okay, so good stuff there indeed. All right. Okay, so let me get to using it for a week, and I'm gonna come back and tell y'all if this one is worth picking up. All right, once again, this has been the Mixneer breathable case for your iPhone 11. All right, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. Hope y'all found it helpful. Hope everyone is staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. We are out of here. Have a good one, everybody. Peace. All right, man. All right. I don't know, man. So far, in terms of the cases that I've experienced, I really like the grip on this one. That's the Jet Tech. Okay. I really like the look and design on this one. This is the Animal. I really do like the look of this one, the Webull, but this is just very slippery. Just like this one, this is very slippery. But who knows? Let me use this one for a week and come back, and my opinions may change. Who knows? Anyways, y'all have a good one. I will see you guys and gals on the next one. Stay safe, everybody, because it really is a crazy world out here. All right, we out of here. Peace.